So again, see my eyelash. See the difference. With and without, diba? So, with the help of Sis Lily waterproof mascara nila na pwede ma-eyebrow, i-achieve ko yan niya. Then, dapat may imo eyelash curler. Pero by the way, looking for a sponsor na ako eyelash curler. I don't like this. So first, tuod, ito na i-curl. Napalakit ang eyelash curler na ako, be. I don't like it. Okay. Hindi pa na siya yung curl. Nabiad na. Then, apply. So, this mascara, kaya waterproof na, smudge proof, sweet proof, and very affordable. Kaya long lasting na, kuha pa siya, money friendly. Naka sa money friendly. Kay, kuha na siya barato da. Kaya may pagod sila mag-sell ang Sis Lily. So, sa gusto mag-order, just PM me sa Blue App. Then, sa Black App, pwede ka muna maka-direct check out. Kasi, diba? Ang kalahian nila. Kaya kung plakado din mo, pinok, lamitan naman mo ba yun. So, I'm done putting this. So, what are you waiting for? Check out my yellow basket. Bye-bye!